Nebraska Furniture Mart in Dallas to meet Evan Shanks. That's my brother Xavier. He's gonna be with us on the trip. It's at 7 tonight. It is currently 1:10. Gotta get there nice and early. It's a 4-hour drive. We're not too far on the trip. We got gas, got some food. It's 2 o'clock. We still got another like 3-hour and 30-minute drive ahead of us. Haven't even hit the interstate yet. In Houston, going to Dallas. Still got my brother behind me. We'll make it there someday. After we stopped, we got some food at Sonic because we didn't have enough time to stop somewhere. And my brother Xavier, I bought him a car wash at the gas station, right? Let me tell you, we did not think that through the car wash that his car would be too low. All you heard the whole time was his car scraping against the entire car wash on the bottom. It was bad. When I mean bad, I mean like it sounded terrible. It was bad. Now we're on the interstate. We have 212 miles to go. Look, it's a Focus. We are back at it again with another update on this drive. We have another 100 miles left to go on this road. It's torturous. On the good side, we started at 200 miles and only have 100 left, so we're halfway through. The meet starts at 7 o'clock and it's 3:43. We still have about another hour and 20 minutes left. We'll see how it goes. As of right now, I just put my brother in front and I'm following now. I got bored in the front.
The guys be like, asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Yeah, baby. Hey, I want you to be mine again, baby.
Another update. We have 70 miles to go. I'm getting tired. It's gonna be worth it though. Definitely gonna be worth it. We still have like another hour and a half. That's the worst part. The better part is that this drive's definitely worth it. But it doesn't mean that the drive's fun in any way. Anyone that knows, you might like driving, but driving for 4 hours is not fun at all. I love this car, and I want others to experience the love I have for this car. So if you're an automatic or you're looking to get in your first car, I would suggest a manual. I mean, I've only had it for a couple months, and I'm only speaking from my experience. I love driving manual. If you're either new to driving or you're thinking about getting a manual, I know there's a couple how to drive a manual videos out there. I know there's not a lot of helpful how-to videos on how to drive a stick shift. But I mean, everyone drives different, everyone learns different. I took kind of everything from every video and taught myself. Now, I'm still pretty new, so I remember my first time learning, and I remember what I wish I would have known going into driving it. So I can make a video on how to drive a manual. Now that we finally discussed what's going on with the channel, I still have another 44 miles left, like another hour. So the next time you see me will probably be me arriving at ECM and Evan Shanks meet. So I'll see you there. So we stopped, 40 miles left. Now we getting gas. Fuel up. 270. That's no good. What we got? Let's talk about my brother's car. Later.
I have so many of these.
February I chopped 16 and a half.
Yeah, I've noticed that though. Your car is the most.
So the first video didn't come exactly as planned. I wanted more footage from the actual car meet, but I don't know why. I didn't actually take footage of anything. So that's my fault. But besides that, there's gonna be more videos to come soon. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, look in the description to follow me on all social media, and I'll see you next time.
That's better than yours. No such thing as a light that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a light that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive.